We have prepared a presentation about the religion in Canada.
And we have some main facts about it. The religion in Canada, there's a wide range of groups and beliefs in Canada. The majority of Canadians are Christians, with the Catholic Church having the most believers, you can say. Christians are representing 67.3% of the population, and are followed by people with no religion, and it's 23.9%. And Islam is the second largest, as you can see in our circle. The circle stands. And Canada has no official religion, you can say, and they have a freedom of religion, and that's an important part of the Canadian culture.
Yes, in Canada is the seventh largest in Canada with nearly 300,000 people. Today, the Jewish culture in Canada is maintained by both patriarchal Jews and those who chose not to practice the religion. Nearly all Jews in Canada speak one or two of the longest language, although most speak English over French. However, there seems to be sharp division between the Anishinaabe and the Sirapi community in Quebec.
And then we have the Muslims, which is the third largest religion in Canada. Around 3.2% of all people in Canada are Muslims. That does not sound like a lot, but compared to the fact that most of Canadians Muslims live in a province of Ontario. This means that they live almost the same as they do in Denmark. They settle in about the same place. They are trying to keep in touch with their fellow human beings, the Muslims. Most of the Muslims in Canada are raised Muslims and have moved from their country to Canada in hope of getting higher education and security. But some people came for religious, political freedom and safety security from the civil wars. In general, almost every Muslim country in the world has sent immigrants to Canada. Muslims in Canada is rising.
And then we have chosen to look at the Sikhism because it was different, and we were surprised that it was the fifth largest religion in Canada, and nearly everybody knows what Christianity is, so therefore we took the Sikhism. And the Canadian Sikhs are one of the largest religion groups, and mostly the people who are believers in Sikhism, they come from Asia, more specific India, but you can say most of them are from South Asia. And the Sikhs in Canada in 2011 were 455,000 people. It does not sound like it is much, but it is actually because in Canada because the Sikhism is, they don't have so many believers in other countries, so in Canada it is really high countries out of Asia. And the immigration of the Sikhs, it started in 1991, where the population of it was estimated about 145,000, and from 1991 to today it has just increased a lot. And and today almost half of Canada's Sikh population lives in British Columbia.